In this Monarch review, I'm going to be talking about a method in a software that they are claiming is making them $569.72 per day from Facebook. I'm going to be talking about what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you're staying to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Monarch, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. If you end up purchasing this and you want to get all these extra bonuses here, you're going to find them waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, what we found on Facebook servers will shock you. Recently discovered Facebook loophole pays us $27 to $47 every time we copy and paste one special link. So it's really hypey here. Let's talk about what this really is. So what they're talking about here, I believe, is that they're talking about doing affiliate marketing. So they have a software, it finds affiliate offers on ClickBank that are the highest selling ones. It creates what's called a bridge page for you. So you can create a page to send people to first, and then it has some extra softwares in it as well. So it's not like you're just going to take a link, copy and paste it, and magically start making $27 to $47 like every time you paste this link. It's not going to happen. This is doing affiliate marketing, and this is a hyped up sales page. Just know that about this. If you end up purchasing this, do it based on what it is and not on this crazy income claim. So they have like DBA wise, I don't know what this is. Like they've got a bunch of some stuff that they've been paid here. I can't verify that this is from this method at all here. They say if they copy and paste 5 times to make this amount of money, it's not like a loophole. This isn't some special loophole. This says, good morning, Venkata. You've made this money. This money Wise Incorporated. I don't know what that is. I would love to say that it was from this, but I can't verify that. These people, they say verified buyer, but I don't know if they're even real. Like Jaslyn V, Gregory C. They look like maybe they're real people. Maybe they made this money, but I'd be very, very surprised if they'd actually made this money from using this exact software. Maybe they made it from affiliate marketing if these are real people at all. Warrior Plus needs to change the permission that they get for people putting these kinds of things on sales pages, please. Here's more money. They say your day online. I don't know what that is. They say they made all these different payments from it. Talking about the meta thing on Facebook, I don't think really has anything to do with that. This one right here is a payment from Warrior Plus for doing Warrior Plus marketing. So that's not even from this. Maybe they're talking about doing affiliate marketing here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sick of these kind of sales pages. And I'll say it over and over and over again, that I'm sick of them. Blah, 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 blah. If you decide you want to purchase, you're going to get access to the system, the software, which I'll show you in a second. And you can upgrade and get this extra thing here. You can add on this thing. I don't know how much it is. It doesn't say. You can add that on. If you are going to purchase, make sure you move your mouse away on the sales page and get a $4 discount. Looks like this is $10. So you can get a $4 discount if you want to move your mouse away. Make sure you do that. I make less as an affiliate if you're going to buy this, but I want you to get the lowest price. So give me a like if you like that and you want me to keep doing it. Okay, so I'm going to play a video showing you a little bit more what this actually is. Then I'll be back to show you again the members area, the OTOs, and the discount.
Guys, what we found on Facebook servers will shock you. We recently discovered a Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day once you scale it up. This new app is controversial, but 100% legal. And what we are about to show you is the exact same strategy affiliate millionaires are using today to make millions of dollars in affiliate commissions. I know millions sounds too big, but it's a fact. I'm not making this up, guys. Guys, welcome to Monarch, the simple but powerful website app responsible to help you make the most out of that Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 4 easy steps, which takes you just minutes to apply. Sounds good? Then let's do this. Step 1. Find your profit. The first step of this Facebook loophole discovery is to go where the money is. Guys, this is Monarch's Profit Finder, the fastest and easiest ClickBank product research tool online. And here's where you will find your profit. With this tool, you will easily find the perfect affiliate product to promote, products which have brought millions of dollars in affiliate commissions throughout the years and are still doing so even today. Monarch's Profit Finder will find you everything you need from selecting the highest converting ClickBank product, as well as accessing all the tools you need to promote and profit as much money as you want from it from any ClickBank product of your choice. Step 2, build your bridge page. The second step of this Facebook loophole is to create a bridge page, but not a fancy and complicated bridge page. You'll need a simple but high converting bridge page. You'll be impressed how simple these bridge pages look, but at the same time, it is frustrating how hard and expensive it can become to build them nowadays if you don't work with the right tools. With the Monarch's Builder, you will be able to quickly create practically any type of website for any purpose you want. The profit potential of these websites is huge, guys. And we have also included a few special templates you can easily customize with a few clicks to create a high converting bridge page, which is proven to generate millions of dollars in ClickBank affiliate commissions, even today. What's more, we have also created a premium custom domain integration where you will be able to add your own domains for your websites with the capability of getting your site verified for Google AdSense, as well as for other third-party tracking platforms like Facebook. Step 3, set up your tracking. The third step of this Facebook loophole is tracking. Yes, guys, tracking is key in this. One of the most profitable digital marketing strategies nowadays is having the ability to know exactly where the people who make profitable actions on your website are coming from, so you can plan to send even more people with the exact same interests back to your website. And this is something absolutely possible thanks to tracking. We have developed a basic but highly useful tracker here inside Monarch. This tracker will help you control and see in a very simple but effective way where people visiting your website are coming from. But if you would like to take tracking to the next level, thanks to the premium custom domain integration we implemented inside Monarch's website builder, you will be able to add tracking code in the header section of your website, which is specially for Facebook tracking. Step 4, send traffic to your bridge page. Finally, guys, the fourth step of this Facebook loophole is sending the right type of traffic to your bridge page. And thanks to tracking, you will be able to discover that right type of traffic in real time by using the right tools. Guys, the shocking part about all of this affiliate money being made in ClickBank is the fact that the traffic source which generates profit the most comes from Facebook. Yes, guys, Facebook is not just a social media platform. It is the largest digital community of people who share all kinds of interests and needs, and Facebook has used technology to be able to organize all those millions of people in audiences. And also has created all kinds of awesome tools for you to make money by offering a real solution to their problems. Guys, we went even further and decided to implement an outstanding Facebook traffic engine, which will save you a ton of the work involved by posting to Facebook the traditional way. Monarch gives you 7 different types of posts you can create to post to your Facebook pages and groups at the same time and be able to schedule them as well. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Lots more awesome stuff inside Monarch, but I can't show them all in this short video. Inside Monarch, you will find the VIP training area, where we will show you over our shoulder how to make money with Monarch the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you would like to discover for yourself this Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day, then try Monarch today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
So this is the back end area. They've got some training here that kind of walks you through the entire process. The first thing here is like you find a ClickBank offer. Next one is you build as a little page builder here, which is actually not that bad. It's got a little builder that you can make pages with, and it will host them for you and stuff. Then they have a thing to advertise with, like a tracker. So it's like a link tracking URL tracker. So if you need a URL tracker, they've got a Facebook thing for doing multimedia posts, CTA posts, and carousel. I've seen this in multiple different softwares before. So this is just like an extra marketing thing. But that's what this is. It's doing affiliate marketing. It's not like it's some magical loophole that's going to make you magical money overnight. That doesn't happen. Again, it doesn't exist. Okay, so the first upgrade is unlimited. So you can get unlimited campaigns and everything. Move your mouse away. You can bring the price down $20 to $27. Here, again, give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Next one here, it says, want us to set it up for you. So you can churn out $300 to $500 a day. I'd be really surprised if you could do that. Anyways, move your mouse away on this, and it brings the price down from $197 to $97. Next one here, it's an autopilot version of it. Move your mouse away, you can bring the price down to $37. Next one here is you can get 500 to 100 times faster profits. I don't know. Bring the price down $10 to 37. Next one here is traffic. I believe this allows you to put your Facebook remarketing pixel on their sales pages. This one, you can bring the price down to 67. And the last one here is, I think must be like a high ticket type thing because it says you can make $502 every time someone clicks your link. So I think it's about, here we go, reseller rights to this. And you can move your mouse away and get that for $29. All these different OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Monarch and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, the marketing on it about making like $569, which is the one that I originally saw, or if on the sales page now it says that you get paid $27 to $47 every time someone copies and pastes a link. I think that marketing is not very good because it doesn't really work that way. You're doing affiliate marketing. So if that's what this actually is, it's affiliate marketing. It's not some magic push button system. What do I like about this? If you are looking for a software that's going to help you find ClickBank offers and it's going to allow you to build a bridge page to promote those offers on, then this could be something that's right for you at a low one-time price. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you're going to take a look at Monarch, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.